Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am excited for today's tutorial because we're gonna explore how to record customer refunds in QuickBooks Online. Because as we all know, handling refunds is crucial for maintaining clear and accurate financial records. But before we jump into the action, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures and it keeps you on the loop for our future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back once again, and we appreciate your ongoing support and cannot wait to embark on this new journey. Now, let's get right into the action. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Now, recording customer refunds in QuickBooks Online is important for several reasons. Obviously, it helps your business maintains an accurate financial records and ensure transparency in financial transactions, right? And it allows your financial statements, such as income statements and balance sheets, to provide a clear picture of your revenue and expenses because it demonstrates transparency to your customers and stakeholders if you show that they are committed to resolving issues and providing refunds when necessary, and it helps you stay in compliance with tax regulations as we all know it and reduces the risk of tax penalties or audits. Now, clear records of customer refunds makes it easier to audit and reconcile your financial transactions. Overall, it simplifies the process of verifying that your accounts and statements match your financial records. Handling refunds would be easier and efficiently. It enhances customer satisfaction. It demonstrates for professionalism, reliability, which can lead to repeat business and positive reviews. And having a clear, obviously, of audit trail helps resolve disagreements and avoid legal issues in the future, right? And now, when we go to the process itself, if you are using the same version that I have, you go and hover to the left part of the interface where it says new. Click on that and refund receipt. Okay, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So you have your customer here. If you've watch um our videos in the past, you go to your customer here. Let's say this guy here. Make sure that it's automatically populated, so you don't have to worry. You just have to make sure that the information here are correct and up to date. Let's say the receipt would be around like October 5th, 2023. Now you don't have to worry about the managed tags and all that. Okay, for payment method, if you're going to use check, use that, add it here if you don't have an check here, or you can, for the sake of the video, why not we use credit card here. And the refund from, if you're using a check, of course you're gonna be asked for the checking number, which you can also manually enter the data. Don't have to worry. Let's say we use cash and equivalents, and it automatically shows the balance, right? And then you can also manually put some information for the products and description and whatnot, and the amount of the refund that you wanted to give, and of course some little notes here. It's customizable, and you can, if you wanted to have attach a supplemental information, make sure that it would not exceed the maximum size of 20 MB. You click it here. Then let's say save and send. But because we this is not a live account, we have a limited access to doing the refund reset. But the next after that, we can also hover to a next option. for earlier, we go to customers and then we click the refund receipt, and then there's also this search bar here. You can just type it in. Just type the recent sale transaction that you have made for the day or recently. Let's say that we had the most recent customer, right? Okay, it that is not what we wanted. Let's check. What about, all right, there you go. For example, let's assume that this is the most recent transaction. All you gotta do is there's an option below here that says refund and receipt. All you gotta do is click on that, and just like we did earlier, save and send, right? And that's it. That's how you handle refunds accurately and efficiently, right? Once again, thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks and accounting tips. If you have any questions, please, we are more than glad to answer it for you. And until next time, keep your financial records in perfect harmony. You leave a comment. I'm reading all of your comments below, by the way. Until next time, may your financial books be as balanced, and happy bookkeeping. See you on the next video. Peace.